think we're at a place right now where we're trying to play to metronomes and everything anyways, and we're trying to get locked into that really good. And we kind of took a while to do that anyways, and so we've incorporated that like pretty heavily in the band in the recent history, and it puts us in a place where we want to be now, because we're kind of done with fucking around and experimenting, and we want to really lay some stuff down.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Tell like there's like a different sort of you guys are more focused, like more.
Yes.
Yeah.
We're definitely we're getting more focused, and we're honing in on where we think we sound best and what we like to do. I mean, that's the thing for Cheapest Chimp with us is we like to do exactly what we want to do, and why not? You know, I mean, we're not on a record label that's telling us to do something, and we have the ability to do what we want, and what we want is different. You know, we've come from such an outside the box perspective. I mean, obviously, just looking at our band, I play just the keyboards. And Stefan is just on the drums, standing up, and I'm playing the kick drums, double bass kick drums. So we have this really strange marriage of the percussion together. And that's something that we've been trying to work on and get better and better, and that's something that we hope to improve. But I tried to get a lot stronger during COVID times, since COVID hit. We played a show, literally the last day that you could play a show, and you were there, right?
It was,
right? When was it, March 11th or something? The next day is the day that the grocery stores cleared out, you know, like.
I remember that.
So there was no more shows after that for a while. So this is our first performance out in the wild since then. So we have to definitely get our jobs back up and
Yeah.
learn how to do that again. Hauling all the equipment was tough.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got it down a little bit better, I think. Anyways, yeah, we just really hope to just. We sound really good when we go really fast and tight. So, and we like to play that way too, and it's fun for us live.
So where can we find out more about Cheapest Chimp?
Social media platforms, we're probably most active on Instagram. I mean, we hate Instagram, but it's just a tool. We of course have Bandcamp, which is where you should directly go to. We don't have any real official recordings out right now. We just have some kind of rehearsal tapes. It's just kind of a snapshot of us, where we were. We hope to have some stuff up there fresh in a few months. It's cheapestchimp.bandcamp.com is where you find us.